you weren't able to catch all that.
Yeah, I didn't catch any of it.
As we were saying, it is a little complicated. But
very complicated.
Bottom line is, if you are planning to use public transit to get to the parade or to get to downtown or like anything that you want to do tomorrow, you might want to check the routes.
Right. Yes.
Yes.
What's also complicated is the forecast.
Great.
Yes.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
You're not our favorite person anymore.
I understand, but it'll be chilly for Halloween.
Good.
So the weekend before, wet, but at least for Halloween day itself and for trick-or-treating, it is going to be chilly. But first, we have to get through this weekend, and what we're primarily looking at for our weather impact alert is the rainfall. And with so many outdoor events and such a busy outdoor month of October, we are expecting kind of a round, or several rounds of rain, I should say, with the lower end threat being some isolated severe storms and a few heavy downpours. Timing wise, looks to be more later on Saturday, round 1, and then early Sunday, round 2. And this is the disturbance. You can kind of see it parked between Colorado and New Mexico, but already sending a wave of storms out over west and central Texas. Severe storms there. I don't believe we're going to see widespread severe weather here as this first complex moves in. Timing wise, look at Saturday morning up until about 11, almost noon, still relatively dry. Through the afternoon and evening, we will see some scattered showers. But notice, it is not just a constant rain. We will get some breaks. So not all of Saturday afternoon and evening will be wet. Certainly a chance for some showers, and hopefully any rainfall is done or avoids the parade route, and then no issues. Here comes round 2, and most of this looks to be during those early morning and maybe midday hours of Sunday. By about noon, it looks like most of the rain is moving out. This front sweeps on through, but there is no cool air with that front. That's what's coming in behind it on Wednesday, probably Tuesday night, Wednesday. Now with it, we have seen an increase in the risk of some severe storms, a little bit more of a focus out to our west, but some of our western parishes are under that level 2 threat for severe weather. Just about everyone for the round on Sunday is under the low end threat for severe storms. And as far as flooding rain goes, that'll be with us Saturday, as well as it should include Sunday, because there is a low end threat for some tree flooding. And again, I don't think that's going to be a widespread issue. Most of us are looking at kind of through the rounds on Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 2 inches, which we do desperately need. It's just a problem that it's on the weekend. Now, as I'd mentioned, we're also looking ahead to that stronger front that moves in late Tuesday, early Wednesday. May see a few isolated showers, light rain, not expecting anything severe, early on Wednesday morning, and behind it some very chilly and a windy day on Wednesday, still breezy on Thursday, and then the winds will be settling for the trick-or-treaters. So it doesn't look like the winds are going to be an issue, but those temperatures definitely are coming down. And a Halloween day right now looks like we stay in the 60s most of the day, briefly getting up to about 70 degrees. And as that sun goes down with the cooler air in place, we'll be quickly dropping into the 50s and 60s for trick-or-treat time. And the good news is, again, it looks like this continues into the first few days of November. So kind of the following weekend as well, the chilly weather will hang around. So some positive after what looks to be kind of a messier weekend, but hopefully not a complete washout. Again, that 50% chance, not an all afternoon and evening rain on Saturday. When it does look to be our wettest period will be early on Sunday through the midday hours. Dry as we start next week. Temperatures coming down, as well as the humidity and winds picking up, making for a very chilly stretch ending October.